We define goals and problems with precision to provide direction and understanding. We set ambitious goals and break them down into manageable steps for progress. We ensure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We view setbacks as opportunities for learning and personal development. We take ownership of our decisions and their outcomes. Accountability fosters responsibility and integrity in decision-making. We create vivid mental images of achieving goals to reinforce commitment. Success requires consistent, focused effort aligned with goals. We surround ourselves with supportive allies who hold us accountable for progress. We acknowledge and celebrate achievements along the journey. We are open to adjusting goals and strategies based on changing circumstances. We align goals with values and passions to find fulfillment and meaning. We gather diverse and relevant information to inform decisions effectively. We apply critical thinking and analysis to evaluate options thoroughly. We listen to our instincts and inner wisdom when faced with uncertainty. We seek input from diverse viewpoints to gain valuable insights. We acknowledge emotions while striving for objective decision-making. We consider the potential outcomes and impacts of decisions. We stay open to new information and are willing to adjust decisions as needed. We commit to decisions with confidence and take decisive action to move forward. We reflect on past decisions to extract insights for future choices. This manifesto integrates principles of goal setting and decision-making, offering guidance for navigating challenges, pursuing aspirations, and making informed choices with clarity, confidence, and integrity.